Hey, what's up? It's Ryan. This is going to be part 6 of my 6 video series on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This specific video is going to go over how to solve PLL, permutation of the last layer, or in simple terms, the rest of the cube. Learning this step will complete this tutorial and you will be able to solve your Rubik's Cube for the first time. To start, we are going to look for a pair of headlights of any color. So, once you find one, like this, put it to the left and do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. I know that sounds like a lot, but try breaking it up into mini algs. So start with R, U, R prime, U prime, then R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, then lastly U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. That helped me when I first learned it. So pause the video and make sure you have memorized it. If you don't see any headlights, do the alg anywhere, and that will give you headlights. So put it to the left, then do the alg again, and that gives you all the corners solved. So, and it also gives you a fully solved bar. So put this bar in the back, like this, and then do this final alg. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And that solves the cube. So, split it up by doing R, U prime, R, then U, R, then repeat, U, R, and then move this block over, then bring the right side back down, move this block over again, and then do an R2 to finish it off. Sometimes you will have to do the alg twice, so if I put the big bar in the back, so if I put it in the back and I do the alg once, sometimes it won't solve, so you have to do it another time, and then it will solve. If you don't see a fully solved bar anywhere, just do the alg anywhere, and you will get a bar. So put it in the back, then do the alg, and it will solve. I'll give you a quick example solve to show you everything I just talked about. So in this scramble, there are no headlights, so I can just do the headlight alg from anywhere, and that goes like R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, and that'll give you headlights. And you'll notice that I have a bar here, but none of my corners are solved, so that just counts as headlights. So put it to the left, and then do the headlight alg, and that'll give you all corners solved plus a bar. So put the bar in the back, then do the alg, or the bar alg. It didn't solve, so I'll have to do it again, but the second time will always solve. I hope you were able to follow along and learn how to completely solve the Rubik's Cube. My challenge to you is to be able to solve the whole cube in under 1 minute consistently. It will definitely take some practice, but it'll be worth it. If you want to get faster, I'll definitely do some advanced tutorials sometime in the future. But yeah, thanks so much for watching the series, and if you have any questions about anything, let me know. Have fun practicing, good luck, see ya.